it's nice and clean there. Twat.
Don't think they're cheap. Not that anymore. It's a near dig. But, yeah.
Oh my God. Hello, we'll drive round you, shall we? What's that?
It's got eyeballs, mate.
Idiot, man. It's a one way, you've got no lights on your phone. What an absolute twat.
Four? No, it's alright. What's a twat? There's number 4. Idiot. Check your mirrors first next time.
This season, stream Sky Sports on now.
The players are ready and now we're off. What?
What's that?
So bored.
Money Helene gave them on household expenses. But if he was being honest, he'd heard that Gildo had spent his money on other stuff. Which
Can't lay plan. Shoot it in anyway.
Oh, lovely. Don't mind about everyone else, mate. You get yourself pulled out of Lidl and just block the traffic. What a selfish arse. Sat at a green light. It's an illegal bike.
Yeah, they are.
Whoops.
Whoa.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
That's had a whoopsie on it.
Get about there, mate.
What are you doing? Now you can go. If that's a red light.
Another one, there we go.
That's cool, just go through a red light.
Oh no, I saw him a second ago.
That was
What are these people parking on double yellows? Jeez. Absolute money spinner for the car.
Technically not on the...
It's nice to be nice, as they say. Even said thank you. Okay. But I'm just saying.
So, I don't know why you spent £2,000 in 2 weeks.
Well,
Put the noise exhaust.
Another 1965, this one is little Austin A35 van. Allegedly James Hunt had one in his later years. An original Mini Moke from 1965 with the Austin engine, as you would expect, and one of the most basic interiors you will ever find this side of a Citroën Mahari. The seat belts are a somewhat later addition.
It's a funny looking tram, it's got legs.